Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can log into our FNB Online Banking app. For that, make sure that you've already installed this FNB Banking app. This application looks like this. Once you have installed it, launch it. Now for security purposes, the screen recording is not possible in this application, but I'm going to show you what the interface will look like. Head over to your browser, type in FNB Online, or simply use your app and the interface will be seen. So I'm going to tap on this FNB login. So this is what the interface will look like. Type in your username and your password. And likewise, once you launch your app, you will be able to see login page. Tap on to login. At the next page, simply type in your credentials like your username and password, just like here, and make sure that both of them are correct. Then tap on login, and if your credentials are correct, you will be able to log into your FNB banking. In case you need help resetting your password, you will also see the button of forgot password below the password box itself. Go ahead, tap onto it and get help resetting your account. This is how it's done, guys. Thank you for watching.